Good morning, welcome to
Math problem number 117.
Math problem number 117. So we're moving on to solving some really complicated linear equations, right? So here's one of the most challenging ones we've encountered. We're going to try to solve 3x plus 4 divided by 5 equals 2x minus 8 over 7.
Ooh.
Ooh, okay. And so this is going to take a lot of writing, so you just tell me what to write and I'll write it, okay?
Okay.
So, for example, if you said pig, I would just write pig.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. Well, what do you think we're going to try to do here?
Well, we have to get rid of the fractions.
Okay, why?
Because then it'll be... We have to get rid of them at some point because we have to get down to x equals something.
Ah, okay, awesome. So we're trying to get down all the way to the bottom here to x equals something. Okay? Oh, you said it better than I can. We got to get rid of the fractions. And we may as well do it to start because that makes our life easy. Okay, so what are you going to do?
Well, you multiply by the least common multiple, which is 35.
Ooh, awesome. Awesome idea. Okay, so I'll multiply this by 35 and I'll multiply this by 35. Great. Great idea. Okay, now what do you want to do now?
Then the 35s can cancel the bottoms, and then you have non-fractions.
Okay. So do you want to do that? Tell me what this equals when you multiply by 35. What does this side equal?
That side equals when you multiply by 35, it equals 7. It equals 3x plus 11.
Ooh, how'd you get that?
Because you cancel the 5s and you're left with 7.
Okay, we're left with, how about this? 7 times 3x plus 4.
Yeah.
Okay, and maybe we'll do that multiplication in a second. What does this side turn into?
That side turns into, then now you can cancel the 7.
Okay, so what am I left with?
You're left with 2x minus 8 times 5.
2x minus 8 times 5. Okay, now what can I do?
Now you can do the multiplication.
Oh, okay, awesome. What does that equal?
This equals 21x plus 28.
21x plus 28. And how about this side?
That side equals 10x 10x minus 40.
Minus 40. Okay, so let's just pause here for a second. So multiplying both sides by 35 was a really great idea.
Yeah.
But now we have a pretty complicated multiplication to do, right?
Yeah.
So let's simplify first. So we first divide 35 by 5 on this side, and we get 7. And then we do the multiplication next.
Yeah.
And on this side, we first divide 35 by 7, which leaves 5. And then we do the multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're down to this equation. What do you want to do to solve this equation?
Well, you could get rid of the number and put it on that side.
Okay. By doing what?
Minus 28 on each side.
Okay. What are we left with when we do that?
21x equals 10x minus 68. And now we need to get rid of the x. So we minus 10x on both sides.
Okay. And then I'm going to just erase my x because I didn't get it in the right spot, but that's okay.
So now 11x
11x
equals minus 68. And now you just divide by 11.
Okay, divide by 11. Divide by 11, and what do I get?
X equals minus 68 over 11.
68 over 11. Awesome. Now, normally we'd go back and check if that worked, but I think we'll just call that a day for this one.
Yeah.
And just review real quick. So, it's nice to get rid of the fractions.
Yeah.
And you did a great job. You multiplied by 35. So the first step, because that multiplication is a little complicated, the first step is let's just cancel the 35 with the 5 and the 35 with the 7. So that makes our life a little easier. And then we just simplify, just like we've been doing all the way through, and we get x equals minus 68 over 11. Whoa, was it obvious from the beginning that x equals minus 68 over 11?
No, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't. But that is a great job. It's a very difficult problem that you just solved. Good job, huh? Good job.